Someone once asked me, what does it mean to have a colourful life? The answer differs for people from different stages of life, but if I could summarise, I think it would be to be adventurous. Cycling is an exploration of your body and soul. I can be anywhere at any time and be delighted with unexpected surprises. Follow your instincts, explore and get lost. Witness every moment and experience the true meaning of life. After numerous sunrises and sunsets, still staying curious is a lifelong lesson. The lights at the corner, the slides in the park, the maple leaf drifting through the wind, the stories continue on. Cycling through these moments inspire me every day. There are bumps on the road when you ride. Just like life, obstacles are inevitable. Changing the gears on your bike is like adjusting yourself through hardships in life. The more you practice riding, the more experienced you become. And solving obstacles in life becomes easier and smoother. Take control of yourself, transcend, and enjoy the ride in life.